So like the last video, we're back on the wheel job. We've ground, I don't know if you can see it, you can see the shape of it still in the reflection of the light. Ground the proudest bit off that, put a bit of black hammerite on, painted the hub and then just satin blacked inside, and I mean it tidies it up a lot. So the spacer's off there, took a 10mm spacer off, so hopefully it might go on without a spacer. I'll just go around to the other side. So I just used a flappy disc on there, ground that off. I'll give those a clean up, but what I'll do is, before I paint this one so we're not waiting, I'll try the wheel on. I'll just move the camera a bit to that side. So I haven't got the new tyre yet, but I've gone from a 195/65 15, which this is on, and we're going to go for, left that in. I'm going to go and try a 175/65 15, and what that does is it's nearly an inch. Let me get this in. It's nearly an inch smaller, so that's nearly 25mm. Split over the front and the back. So that's 12, like 12.5. And if I can get it to spin and not touch that caliper without the 10mm spacer, I think it's going to catch stuff, but we have a 5mm spacer. Oh no, it's close, but maybe a bit more sanding and that'd be alright. I'll get this on so you're not waiting. I'll come back to you. Right, we've got the wheel on without any spacer at all, and it is just catching on there, and I wouldn't want to just start grinding into the housing, main housing sort of thing. I think so. That 5mm spacer should just get it. Right, the 5mm spacer's on, and it is clearing. There's just a 3mm maybe. So if we've saved 12.5 with the 175 and then 5, so we've got 17.5 we've saved, setting it back. So we get it painted up. Doesn't look like the tyres are turning up today, so I'll have to do an update on the next one. Cheers.